So guys, I, I didn't expect today is a Wednesday, yeah. So I'm not even expecting to still be at work at this time, but I have stuff doing. I'm currently trying to complete a task, and it's quite time consuming. But I know if I go home, I might not be able to finish up, and I need to finish up. So it happens. And let me just see the office. Let me just turn the back camera. You can see everyone has exited. It's just me. It's weird, right? Hey Liz, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Liz. How have you been? What's up? What's up? How was your day? How was your day? Oh, that's good. Good to know. Good to know. I was just saying that I'm still in the office though. Today seems like a Monday for me. Quite busy day, but and I still have work to do though. Uh, I'm glad your day. It's good your day went well. Hope it was not so stressful. Hope it was great. Hope it's not like mine. Mine is. Uh, uh, so yeah. So I'm trying to. We're just trying to. Just we are working on some stuff, so and I have to something I have to complete and something I have to finish. So I obviously have to um, stay back as I should. Okay, that's good. As I should, um, the back there's nobody. See, the whole office is empty. It's just me. Um, so I've been using my community. I've been using the community tab. Yeah, community tab on the channel. So I don't know if people have seen the community posts and all and interacted with them. And yeah, so I would love to know if there are any videos you want me to do. Just let me know. What do you what do you do for work? Oh, Liz. Okay, so a network and security officer. So basically, we just monitor the networks and the platforms. Basically, what the platforms that are used in terms of just supports the business. Let me just put it that way. So in terms of making sure the network is going fine, if there are complaints of maybe IT devices that are not functioning properly, we get to resolve those issues. And yeah, just some other deeper things in terms of network and security, making sure the computers are updated and all those things. So just though we have monitoring tools and softwares that makes those stuff a bit easier for us rather than going to do that individually or one by one. So yeah, that's just it. So I see some people are just coming. If you are coming, welcome. Just leave a like. I was showing others that I'm currently the only one in the office, as you can see. Let me show the back camera so that you see how deserted the whole place is. And they've turned off the lights. It's just the lights where I'm staying that is still on. So um, so I just decided to do this live because I'm currently even Omotayo, welcome. How was your day? Hope your day is not as stressful as mine. I still have work to do. I was telling Liz and others that have been with me that I'm currently even still working in the office. I have some work to do and see time. It's raining in my side though. It's raining where I am, so I wonder what time I'll get home today. Perhaps around 10 p.m. if at all I get home earlier. So sometimes it happens that way when you have to work late and all. So it's raining there too. Great. It's raining everywhere, but I feel when I'm at home when it's raining, I can just rest and But this one I have to start going home while it's raining, so it's going to be a whole lot. Um, should I say inconvenient thing. So yeah, Omotayo, what's up now? How have you been? How is work? How is your day entirely? Let me know. You can just drop it in the chat. So I'm currently, I know usually I put up, yeah, Omotayo, we have security personnel. Yeah, we have security personnel. Yeah. If not, I wouldn't. I don't think I will be here at this time. But we have security personnel. It should be. So I was saying that usually I do put up 3 videos, 2 videos per week. But right now I've been able to. I've not even put any one this week. I think aside the shorts, which I think I put on Sunday or Saturday. I can't even remember the day I put the shorts video, which most likely is going to be what I'll be putting for now because I have not had time to properly sit down. Even on Saturdays that I feel I will have my time to record a video. On Sundays is always still occupied with something. Like next Sunday is booked for some church stuff. Uh, while Saturday probably work might come up again and then I'll have to report to work, so I might not have time to shoot video. The time I might have, I'll just use it to do a little YouTube shorts. So if I'll just come in, please leave a like on the video, please. It's very much appreciated. So some even right now, my career path is network and security, and sometimes I'm even very confused on is this really what in terms of general cybersecurity stuff and my field. I'm always trying to explore that field to see if these fields will be better for me. Should I do this? Should I go into this field? Is this really what I want to do? So sometimes it might be a whole lot challenging. I know it might not be only me that might be facing that in terms of career. You might um, be doing something and then you see another thing and then you tell yourself, oh, I want to explore this and see how this is. So that is how it is for me. Sometimes, in as much as I'm doing that, no problem. In as much as I'm doing that, I still tell myself, can I do something else in terms of maybe the IT? I've explored programming. I'm currently doing stuff related to cybersecurity, but so sometimes I get confused, but I guess it's okay. It's okay to get confused. It's okay to just try and see what you enjoy doing because that's what matters most. Even when you are down or when you don't have the motivation, you still get up and do that stuff. It's just like YouTube also. Sometimes you don't want to make any video, you don't want to do anything, but you just have to do it because one, you have people that you are serving your content to, you have people that are waiting for that content, either because it's entertaining or because the content is educating, like the ones I do. So you just have to, and the content I do is not something I can just drop anyhow. Sometimes I have to make research in as much as there are some things that I know already, but you have to make extra research to make sure you are dropping valuable points and valuable things. So I hope I'm not. Okay, Liz said, try out all niches that relate to what you do to know what yourself. Hmm. Well, yeah, that's right. Like for this channel, please if you are just coming, please leave a like. Please leave a like. I'm currently at work. I was showing everyone that I'm currently the only one in the office. As you can see, it's totally empty. And this is about almost 8 p.m. So it's 8 p.m. Okay, I should try different topics, Liz. Yeah, I can try different topics, but that's why I said if you have something, because there's one important thing is answering the questions the subscribers want answered, and then serving them topics. I know, yeah, I might want to do some of the topics I have in mind, but sometimes you might have that question that you might need answered in terms of cyber safety, online safety, and all those things. But when you ask them, I can now go ahead and answer them to the best of my knowledge. Yeah, so let me even use that opportunity as we are talking here. I'm currently waiting for someone, like I said. I'm waiting for someone so that once the person is done, we'll start moving. I'll start going home because even I still have work here to do, but I obviously have to go home. If not, it will be too late to be on the road. So if you have questions you need to ask in terms of work, in terms of online safety, cyber security in general, you can go ahead and ask, and then I'll try and answer them. I know this is not like a Q&A section, but uh, it's oh, please please hold on. Now my dad is calling. Okay, so sorry for the my dad called, so I just had to answer. So, like I was saying, talking about the contents that I want to be doing. So I've not really had time to have not really had time to should I say, settle down and start writing more content or more topics. Though the ones that I have are the ones that I've written down before, and I've kind of exhausted everything. So I'm still to um, get content that everyone will relate to. Okay, so even tutorials. I know I do tutorials in terms of how to maybe recover a hacked account, tutorials on just general online stuff, social media safety, and all those things. So I just want to know if you have any topic that have been disturbing you, or a question you want to even be sure of. You can always go ahead and ask, and then I will answer that. Uh, yeah, so please, if you are just coming, please leave a like on the video. Shit. Um, so I'm still in the office, still in the office. And it's raining outside. It's raining outside. So let me just use that opportunity to talk about the video I did on what was the last video I did? Was it the I know I did a video on how to report a fraudulent website, a scam website, and then I did several other videos. Then on my community post I asked a question which I might turn it into a video. I asked a question on, do you think, for those using iPhone, for iPhone users, because there's this perception that iPhones are safe, the safest type of phones, that Androids are not really as safe as iPhones and all. So I asked the question that, do you think all the applications on the Apple Play Store are actually safe to download? And then some people, I have not really seen, I think so far, someone said yes, that all the applications. Okay, yeah, okay, Liz, if you want to get access to my social media account, or if you want to reach out to me and chat with me on social media, okay, I'll do that. I had my social media handles on my about tab before, but I removed them because I wanted people to just. But I'll add them. But it's still SC CyberSafe on all platforms, on Instagram SC CyberSafe, Facebook SC CyberSafe, and Twitter to SC CyberSafe at SC CyberSafe. Once you type that, you'll be able to you chat. You can always chat up. You can always chat there. So not if I don't want to answer that question, perhaps I'll make it a video. And okay, so perhaps I might have to end the video. I don't know, but let's just keep going though. So I was talking about the what do they call it? Yeah, the iOS applications that are not. I was asking if all of them are safe. Not all apps are. Omotayo said not all of them are safe. Well, you're tempting me to answer that particular question, but I don't want to answer that question. I still want people to make your research. You can go and make your research on it. Are all the apps there safe? Because I know some people don't know how apps get on those Play stores. Some people just think it's Apple that puts all those applications, but no, sometimes you can create, and me myself, you yourself, if you decide to go into um, software development, app development, or app creation, you can create your own applications and then post them or put them on those stores, the iOS stores, Google Play stores. There are people that own those apps individually. But is there a way Apple scans those. Do Apple actually scan those applications to make sure that they are safe, to make sure that they are not malicious? That's the question we should be asking. But let me just answer that question so that, well, not all, Omotaya is correct, not all applications on iOS. So for those that are using iPhone and they think that they are the safest and that all the apps Play Store are safe to download, it is a very wrong notion. Not all applications on your iOS store is safe to download, because some of them have, I did use exposing some loan applications, some applications that claim to be giving people loan, and then the moment you register, putting your details, they might request for some amount of money to, just as a registration, means of registration, and then the moment you put in all your details, just like putting your sensitive details and giving people your sensitive details and your name, your address, and everything about you, and then uh, the app is in the end a fraudulent application. It's not even, they're not even giving you any loan. So aside loan, there are so many other apps, recovery apps for recovering. Let's say you are recording a video or you're about to editing a video and you lost the video footage. They can tell you that you can use this application to recover it on your from your phone and all. So some of those apps are kind of fishy. Those ads, they just, I said, those apps, they keep on pushing advertisements to you, and some are malicious advertisements and all. I was almost jacked by an app called My Desk. Hmm, that's interesting to share. I will research more on that app. I've not really heard about that application. Yeah, that reminds me. This one is really an interesting discussion. I want to. Sorry, I'm cutting short from that one, but I'll make a video as regards iOS applications and all. Wow, Liz, you've seen a lot. It's good you are sharing them with us. For those that are coming, welcome. Please leave a like on the video. You are very welcome. So let me just share an experience with you. So I think, let me say, 4 5 days ago, I was in a bus, and then I was sitting at the back, at the extreme end of the public bus. It's a public bus, and then I my eyes happened to catch or look. Someone was chatting in my front, and then I saw the person's phone, the person's chat. Even just looking at the person, the person was ringing, scammer, 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 scammer. Then I was like, hmm. So when I looked closely, I saw that this person was trying to scam, I don't know, maybe a white person. The person was trying to scam a white person also, I don't know. It's not, I didn't obviously, when someone is using a phone in your front, you would surely see what the person is doing. So this person was trying to, he was even in the process of scamming someone, a white person and all. He had this fake Instagram handle, this fake Instagram handle that they use, that they put fake female images and all this stuff. So I was able to get the Instagram handle. I was able to get the Instagram handle, and I've been chatting with that person since, and just playing along, wasting the person's time. I think I'll do a video on that and update you on how it has gone so far. The person was even telling me that he's somewhere in the US when I knew he's in Nigeria, and I saw the handle and the account. I saw everything about the account. So on that, to just to give you tips on that. For example, you could be using your phone in a bus, and someone at your back could just be reading your text, reading your chats. It's always important to get what they call, no, people think they are smarter. Liz, you are very correct. They think they are smarter than everyone else. But one thing is really important. Um, have what they call a privacy guard. I don't know if you've heard of it. If you've heard of it, let me know in the chat. A privacy guard, it's like a black screen protector. It's a black screen, like it's really black or really dark, so only you can see your screen. Someone by the side, someone at your back won't see your screen, because it will just appear dark. So it's only that is directly in front of your screen that can use that. Some techno phones come with that screen, privacy screen guard or something. That's what they call it. It's dark, really dark, but you can see it. But the anyone, so it's better. It helps you to keep your chats private, so you can always chat privately in a public bus or something. Yeah, PIP guide or privacy, something like that. That's what they, I think privacy guard, that's what they call it. Okay, Liz, you don't use your phone in public. I sometimes I just have to. Sometimes you have to. Even sometimes, even while being on the road, you have to reply to some work emails and all. And you wouldn't want someone reading your work emails. I mean, it's very. You wouldn't want someone reading your work emails. You wouldn't want someone reading your personal chat. Sometimes you have to chat with. You have to reply some chats and all in the bus. Maybe it depends. But even watching something, you wouldn't want someone to just be. They call it shoulder surfing when someone is watching what you're doing on your device through maybe through your back or something. So another way is that, and a privacy guard is very affordable. Please, if you are just coming, leave a like on the video. A privacy guard is also very affordable to purchase. I think about so many dollars. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's true. Even in Nigeria too, if you are using your phone at the window side of the bus, they will always advise you not to do that because someone could just snatch your phone from the window and then run. And since you are in a public bus, you will not be able to move and catch up with the person that snatched your phone. I've even seen videos like that on YouTube. It happens a lot in Africa where they snatch your phone from the window and then run, and you can't run because you're already restricted. Yeah, better safe than sorry. That's the right thing to say. So another way to prevent, instead of using a privacy guard, just okay, aside even in the bus, you could be maybe in the airport sitting down or somewhere in a public place, and someone could be reading your chats. It's not a it's not the best. So you can also reduce your screen brightness. That's another trick. That sometimes I'll be using my phone and then the brightness will be quite at least high. And then you see that obviously someone is reading your chat and reading whatever you're reading, the messages, or looking at whatever you're doing. So I just tune down my brightness to the lowest. Once it's in the lowest, I can still see my phone. I can still see what is there, but the people beside me wouldn't be able to see again because at this point it is not bright. So that's another trick. So to maintain your privacy in the public while using your phone, you can get a what they call it, a privacy guard, or you can reduce your brightness. So it depends on the one you want, but getting a privacy guard is better. Sometimes reducing brightness, if everywhere is sunny or if it's too bright, you might not even see your screen itself. So getting a privacy guard is really important to maintain your privacy when using your device in public. Even for laptop too, it's available for laptops and computers, not just for phones. You have the privacy guards for laptops that will just make it in a way that only you can see what is in front of your screen. So for those that are just coming, see, I said I'm currently the only one in my office. As you can see, everyone has gone. They've turned off the lights. It's just the lights above me that's lighting the whole place. So, uh, please, if there's a video topic you want me to discuss, you can always go ahead and let me know, and then I will treat the topic or I'll answer the question. Ideally, wow, Liz, I really appreciate that. Like, it means a whole lot to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. It means a whole lot to me. I know you have always been supportive. You, Omotayo, and there's so many other ones. I think few other people I can't remember. They're always there on the live videos till the end, and I might not know some of what that because some don't comment, but some always leave a like. Some are always watching, so I always appreciate that. It's I always wish we could even have this. Maybe I will do that on Saturday or when I'm chanced. I'll use StreamYard. Yeah, StreamYard. You can communicate with someone. You can communicate. Can add a guest. That kind of you can add a guest, so you can always come live on the video, and then we'll talk via video. I think that would be a great idea, so that we just. Well, I really appreciate it a whole lot. Yeah, that's true. That's true. It's I don't know. YouTube is a difficult platform. That's just it. YouTube is a very difficult. YouTube does not help much in promoting the channels. You have to. smaller channels have to just move. You have to do everything by yourself, market yourself. But for bigger channels and all, you just see them keep on recommending those contents every time. So it happens. That's the way life is. Sometimes you just have to do your best. I see 5 people are watching. I'm surprised who those 5 people are. I know Omotayo is still here. Liz is still here. I don't know the other five because please, if you are here, let me know. I can see 5 people watching. I know. Just can just say hi or something. Let me know. I don't know, but I know 5 people are watching. I should collaborate with Tayo. Yeah, but definitely. We are going to, since we even stay in the same Lagos and all. One day, we would. Let me just put it that way. We would. It's just that we've both been busy. Even Tayo too. I know Tayo is always busy and all. So yeah, I will look for him. I know his location, like where he stays. Not exactly where he stays, but the the region or the yeah. So I will do that. I will find time. I'll find time to do that. Oh, it's a very stressful. Liz, what's the time over there? Is it the same time? Because I know this is West African time. So it's around 8:15 p.m. here. What's the time over there in Uganda? 1:15 p.m. Oh, wow. I didn't expect. Okay. You are from Uganda. You are in the USA. Okay, yeah. If I'm not wrong, I hope I'm not wrong. You are from Uganda. You are in the USA. I hope I'm. Am I right? 1:15 p.m. Yeah, that's 6 hours behind or so, 7 hours. Loki, welcome. Loki, welcome. I don't know your real name, but you're very welcome. 3:15 p.m. in USA. What part of USA is that? Now I'm seeing lots of time discrepancies. There is the part of US that is I think 6 hours behind Nigerian time, except maybe when they say something about daylight saving, mountain time, mountain time. Okay, I know there are different time in this thing. There is mountain East Coast. Wow, it's just very confusing. Yeah, he's on EST time. It's very confusing. Loki, where exactly are you in USA? Which states? Which state are you in? Because the timing is really confusing. Just let me know which state are you in the US. I'm currently in Lagos, Nigeria. So much different here. Even weather. Wow, I'm surprised. Yes, it is. Yes, East Coast, Central Mountain. Okay, it's just like okay. I get. Okay, Pennsylvania. Okay, Pennsylvania. I get. It's just like in Nigeria now. There's the north, there's the south, there's the east, there's the west. Maybe, but Nigeria is not that big, so we still have the same time difference in Nigeria. But in US, I know they are different. Wow, that's just very surprising. It's surprising. I mean, CS is quite big and all for them to have different time limits. So I was talking about working career paths in general. So sometimes it could be confusing. 4 time zones. Okay, there are 4 time zones in USA. I'm learning. Before I thought they were just perhaps just two or one. But what's the daylight saving? Is it currently affecting you now? The daylight savings. I don't know what that's. I have never really understood what that daylight savings meant or means. Because it's not usually something that is done here in Nigeria. So I don't know. Anytime someone tries to explain daylight savings, it's always very it's always very mind blowing and confusing. So I don't know what that is. Please, if you are just coming, you can go ahead and leave a like. It's so confusing. Just yeah, I really don't know what daylight savings means, but let me see. I can't move around because everywhere is. everywhere is kind of dark. Like I said, it's just where I'm staying that is, you can see, just where I'm staying that is lit. Every other place is dark. See, everyone has left, so it's just me. In short, at a particular time of the year, we lose 1 hour or gain 1 hour. Skips an hour. Spring. Okay, daylight saving, it skips an hour. Spring forward, follow to. Okay. Wow. Okay, you even set the clock back by yourself. Wow. It's just it's a very very funny concept, really. It's a very confusing, as we said, it's very confusing. It's a very confusing and funny concept. Daylight savings and all. Wow. Uh, so, is there any? I'm happy to have you guys here. I'm happy to have. I've basically run out of what to say or things to say. Though I had still planning. I'm still planning on releasing some videos, but I need to know if you have any videos in mind. Um, I hear started in the past with farmers. Well, I maybe, maybe, but I would still wonder why they did that. But maybe they always have their reasons, though. So the timing stuff. So, Loki, is there any topic relating to? I've always been thinking. I don't know if you saw a community post that I put where I said something about I was going to make a. It is because it gets so dark early in our winter. It gives more day. Oh! Now I get. Oh, now I get. Hmm. Okay, I should make a video showcasing Nigeria and good stuff. I'll do that definitely when I get to very nice places. I don't really go out. I'm that kind of person that does not really go out much. I don't really explore. But definitely once I get to go out, I will surely should I say vlog it. I don't know if you saw a community post on the channel where I said that I was going to make big changes to the channel, and then some people were confused. Some people were like, "What changes are you trying to make?" Okay, let me just say it now. So, at the point, I wanted to change the name of the channel. Okay, yeah. So at the point, I wanted to change the name of the channel. I wanted to change it from SC Cyber Safe to my name, which is Emmanuel. Emmanuel, then Ubemena, my surname. It's hard to pronounce, but Emmanuel, which is my name. I wanted to change it to my name, but at the point, and then the logo, I wanted to change the logo to my face and all, but I just decided that since I started the channel with SC Cyber Safe and it has been what people have known it for, and it's like a symbol and all, so I decided no, let me just leave it that way. Liz, no, like 3 years ago, 3 years ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago. Let's just put it that way. I graduated 3 years ago. Graduated 3 years ago. After graduating, we have what they call National Youth Service, where you just serve for 1 year, doing some training and all. What did you study? Okay, I studied industrial mathematics, University of Lagos. I studied industrial mathematics, University of Lagos. So I did like computer science related courses, mathematics and computer science related courses. And what did Loki ask? Do you want to branch out from? Hmm. Loki, this question you asked me now. Trust me, is one question I've really asked myself a lot, and I still struggle to. It's really a struggle for me, though. I It's not as if I want to go out or branch out from cybersecurity, but sometimes I just feel for me doing. Thank you, Liz. Thank you, Liz. I just feel for me doing cybersecurity in Nigeria is not really a country that has really seen the essence of cybersecurity. originally when I created this channel, SC Cyber Safe, the meaning of SC, I don't know if you've watched the video where I talked about the meaning of SC Cyber Safe or what it entails in general, but the meaning of SC in SC Cyber Safe is social engineering, then cyber safe. So it's supposed to be teaching people how social engineering works, how scammers use it, and how to be safe from. Because most times, in general, everything about hacking, scamming, and everything is all relating to social engineering. So that was how SC Cyber Safe came about. So and at a point in my life when I finished school, I was really keen to learning ethical hacking. I took courses on ethical hacking. I knew how to hack devices. I could literally um, uh, get into a computer with my own computer. I went that far. I took courses on it. But after a while, with the way I was trying to see, okay, can I get a job in Nigeria that would target? Okay, I'm doing cyber security in Nigeria. I'm a cyber security specialist, but there was really nothing. There were no opportunities like that really in Nigeria. But I know cyber security is something overvalued, not just valued. It's overvalued outside there in the country, in US, in UK, because every day they get hit by different hackers and all. So cyber security is really valued. But in my country, I was looking at why go for a course that, or why go to a field that has a less value and all of that. But I was trying to just I didn't want to limit myself because I felt okay, I might not still stay in Nigeria. I'm in Nigeria, I might not still stay in Nigeria forever. I might still not forever. I might still find a way to go outside the country and then eventually even work outside the country and then maybe get some of those opportunities. But as time goes on, I still see other um, fields that I am kind of interested in aside cyber security. Like there's web development where you create not web development, software development using Python programming language and some of these other programming languages. So programming is on that thing. But I've just decided to. Right now, should I say, I'm still in this moving ship that is moving from left to right. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm just moving. Let's just keep going. That's how this. That's how life is. Just keep going, and then keep exploring. And hopefully, I know I'll still get steady in one place. Yeah, Liz, I live in the city of Lagos. Yeah, I live in the city of Lagos. There's the island and there's the mainland. So I stay on the mainland. But there's the island part. So, but yeah, city. So that's it. So that's why. So when I wanted, the reason I wanted to change the name from SC Cyber Safe was because I felt it's restricting me. I just felt, I don't know why I felt that way, but I felt I could not I could not do vlogs. I could not vlog on this channel because I don't know how I don't know how those watching it will. Oh, that's that's great, Liz. That's great. So I just felt my brother also is doing law, so he's a lawyer also, or he's going to be a lawyer also. So I just felt like uh, this SC Cyber Safe as a name is going to restrict me from maybe vlogging and just sharing my experience in terms of tech and everything, just my life experience, even my career path and everything. Sharing it on this channel might just seem awkward because it's supposed to be only online safety tips, cyber security, scams, and all those things. So I just didn't know how it would be like. As I wanted to change the name of the channel, the logo, and just make it in a way that I'll be able to do anything I want to do on the channel. Try out new vlogs and see if people like it. When starting out with YouTube, you can explore till you find out really. That's true though, but I wouldn't really say right now that I'm starting out if it's something I did earlier, but from the beginning or from the inception of this channel, I already had a goal of what I wanted to this channel to be about. If I'm sure if you watch the videos from the beginning, you see that it's just been cyber safety, scams, and all those things. It's never really done vlogs. Although I did vlogs sometime when I first started, about one or two, but they didn't really go well, so I didn't bother doing vlogs. I didn't feel like I had the personality to do vlogging or all those vlog stuff. Because some people are always joyous, some people know how to jump around, some people have this very entertaining character and all to do vlogs. But I didn't really feel like I was that kind of person that could do vlogs, so I didn't really explore much of vlogging. So that's just it. For sure, since I have people that, even if I'm even okay if it's just one or two people that are with me here, it's really okay. I can always do the vlogs once in a while like this that I've been doing, and then once in a while to drop some of those videos that will educate you, and then just teach you what is happening or the latest thing happening in terms of security. So that's just it. Uh, what's time? It is. No, my laptop is dead. Hmm. So, um, yeah. So I guess, Liz, I'm really thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. I really appreciate it. I think I'll be going very soon, and yeah, very very soon. Please, if you're watching this, leave a like if you've not left a like. If start a new channel, you lose your base. Now just start your videos so people know, and YouTube shorts are really good way to get more. uh yeah, Liz, you could have your lunch. You could go ahead and have your lunch. So I don't you thank you for coming, thank you for staying through the live stream. Loki, you said let me go ahead and read what you said again. You said if starting a new channel will lose your base, now just title your video so that people will know. Okay, yeah, that's true though. It's just to title the videos, so if I guess if you see it and you want to watch it, you go ahead and watch it. I mean the topic. If the topic is about online safety, you want to watch the video, you're interested in the video, go ahead and watch it. But if it's a vlog and you feel you're not interested in watching the vlog, you can as well skip it too. Yes, it's also, if I assume that's what you're trying to say, though I'm quite unclear about that, but I assume that's what you're trying to say. So nevertheless, I think I'll still put the two contents there. I'll still put it, and then I'm still trying to explore. Please, if you're just coming, I see some people are just coming. Please leave a like on the video, please, and please leave a like on the video. I really appreciate it. So let me just, for those that are just coming, I think I'm the only one in the office, and no one is around. Everyone has gone, deserted, and it's just me. So I have a lot of work to do, so I kind of going home late today. So please, after once when the live video ends, please just let me know the if it's a question, if it is a a video topic, you can even list topics you want me to discuss. It might be in relation to scams that you've seen around, or online safety questions you want to ask, like what happens if this happens to my computer, or what happens if this, just questions that you might want answers in terms of even social media, like security or anything in general. Just let me know. um I think there's a live video I did on sextortion, and I think it's one topic that people are always trying to get advice on. But that video, see, because it was a live video, it was not there's a way live video is usually. Once you do live videos, it's not always well presented. There are always some pauses, long pauses, and people get tired of waiting for long pauses. So but I think I'll have to redo that video and make it a video itself instead of a live. Because I know some people are going through that, and some people don't know how to face that. If you also go back and watch some of my old videos on the channel, you will just see the evolution. There are times when I want to record a video and then I just keep moving around, shaky. Even I would cringe watching those videos again, but you can always go back and watch those videos. But the thing is that those videos were really, really, really educating. Even till now, they are still educating. But then I had topics, lots of topics. I think I will go back and bring back those topics, and now this time present them in a in a better manner, and then add some b-rolls and um, make them more interesting. But if you go back and watch my old videos after this live stream, you can just if you've not done that before, just go to search for oldest video and then see the evolution. Just look at how it is, and then you can always leave a comment and let me know um, what you think about those videos. So I see my battery is 7%. uh, hmm, can we do? Yeah, Loki. Loki, it seems like I don't know if you've changed your name, or because I remember when did you subscribe to the channel? When did you join us? I don't know, because I know some of my subscribers get to change their names and all, so I might not know. But I assume you joined. I don't know when you joined. I don't want to assume wrongly, but yeah, I guess, yeah. Because I just remember seeing you, and you've always been active, and I really appreciate it. You've always been active. I know it's recently, maybe a month ago or so, or some weeks ago. I don't know, but yeah. So uh, currently, I've always even wanted to. Um, I was explaining how difficult it is to create content when, like, it's a whole lot to spend money to upload videos and do all those things, especially here in Nigeria. Internet connection or data, or I don't know what's the best way to call it, is usually expensive. And so, as a channel that is unmonetized, even though yes, we've passed that 1,000 mark, but we are still unmonetized. So, yeah, that's like another one of the goals aside, but that's not the major goal. I don't know. I want to get more. I'm looking for the best way to get more interaction with my audience. There's nothing as good as getting interaction with the your audience, your subscribers, and then getting to know how they feel, getting to know what they want and all. Another thing that I would really appreciate. And yeah, so, but if you're just coming, please go ahead and leave a like. Go ahead and leave a like. I was showing everyone that I'm currently the only person in the office. So I was, if you can watch the video from the beginning if you're just coming. I'm currently the only one, and it's because I had work to do. It's not because I just wanted to stay in the office. I mean, who wants to stay? Who wants to stay in the office for this long? So, um, yeah, I think I have just 2 minutes. Once the 2 minutes elapses, I'll end the live stream. So, is there any other question? Any question? Those are coming. Do you have any question for me? I'll just go ahead and answer it before ending the live stream. Please leave a like. Leave a like. Some people are just popping. I saw some people are popping in and like popping in. Some people are hopping in, and then some will hop out. Some are still staying. I think I have about 5 people still watching or so. Um, yeah. So Loki, I don't know. I don't know if calling you Loki is okay, but if you can share your real name or your name, at least your first name, that would be nice, so that I can always address you by your first name. It's like a family stuff. So, but if Loki is fine, uh, but the Loki, is it just Loki or Loki, as in the one in Avengers? I don't know if you know. Okay, Keegan. Oh, Keegan. Oh, nice meeting you, Keegan. Hope I'm pronouncing it rightly. Keegan. Yeah, just one more thing. Is it easy when you've watched my videos? I should have asked this I should have asked this before. You've watched my videos. Is it difficult to hear what I say? I know at the point I had issues with people not understanding me. They said I should try to enunciate more and then not rush. I shouldn't rush so that people will like majorly those people in America and all would understand me better because of they said I have an accent, that kind of thing. So I have to enunciate, talk slowly, and all. Oh, the restored power. So the restored power. So what do you think? Do you think I need to slow down, low key? Okay, yeah. Yeah. I figured out that that's what he meant. So just let me know. Do you think I should slow down when you've watched my videos, maybe one or two or more than, I don't know. Do you think I should slow down and perhaps enunciate, or everything is okay? You understand what I'm saying at every point. So I need to know that, and I think that's the major feedback. I should ask that in my community tab. I don't know why it escaped my mind, but I need to know because at the point when I got people to review my videos and then um, give me feedback on what they thought of my videos, some people said they couldn't really understand clearly. All right. So just let me know. Just let me know in the comment section. I have to end. I heard you fine. Sometimes words do run together, but happens. Oh, all right. All right. Take care. See you. I don't know. All right. See you guys later. Take care. Let's end this live video. Uh, I don't even know how to end the live. Yeah, bye Loki, bye Keegan. When they, no, not.